So before you begin your yogurt, you want to make sure that you change out the silicone ring so that you don't have the smell of beans in your yogurt. First thing you want to do, make sure it's clean and not smelly. You'd be surprised how fast the smell of beans inserts itself into your yogurt. You can also do a final rinse on the pot. Just rinse it out with hot water and soap to make sure that doesn't smell like beans either. You're going to pour your soy milk into the pot. And you're going to put it on saute for 30 minutes and let the milk boil. Okay, when it's all bubbled up and frothy, you're going to turn it off and we're going to let it cool down for a little bit. Okay, when the yogurt starts to cool, when the milk starts to cool, it might get a layer on it. I just blend it all in. So you're just gonna blend it up a little. It's been about 15 minutes. I like to hold my finger in there, and if it's still hot, but not so hot, I have to pull my finger back immediately. That's when I decide it's done. And then you're gonna take your yogurt from the previous batch, or if you don't have any in your previous batch, buy a little bit of plant yogurt. Any plant yogurt works here. Blend it up. You wanna make sure that the soy milk you use is just soy and water. So it doesn't matter what brand it is. Organic is definitely recommended. The conventional soy grown in this country tends to be genetically modified. So buying organic helps to make sure that it's not genetically modified. We are going to put the lid on. Remember, we changed the silicone ring. And we are going to set this on yogurt for about 5 hours. So I'm just gonna pick the yogurt setting and I'm gonna take it down to about 5 hours. You can set it for longer if you like it tangier. So really just 5 hours usually sets it. And if you like it tangy, up to 12 hours. So wherever you like it.
But not necessarily healthy. You actually have to eat your vegetables, right? That's why.
Alrighty, the next day, or usually in 3-4 hours, here you have the creamiest Greek yogurt you can ever want. Look at how rich and thick this is. It just is so delicious and creamy. You can use this in curries. You can use this for breakfast. You can use this for sour cream. You can, of course, make delicious dips out of it. Really high protein, delicious, thick, creamy yogurt. So here you have it. I just transfer it into a bowl, hold it in the fridge until I'm ready to use it. It makes fabulous mozzarella cheese, makes great cheesecake. You're gonna love this.